Hello, work life warriors. I hope you're doing well. Today, I just wanted to stop past and talk about play and talk about the importance of play. We work so very hard, but we rarely make time for play. We definitely do not play harder than we work, which is absolutely mandatory. Play is a biological need, so we must go out of our way to play, to honor our biological needs, to add some quality, laughter, joy, and all of the things that we really desire into our lives. Play is the way to do it. It's the way to decrease cortisol. It's the way to connect, to get grounded, to go into flow, to do something for the sake of doing it, for the sake of fun. So it is your responsibility. Go out of your way to add some play, laughter, joy into your life. If you have to do it through social play, if you have to do it through body and movement play, or if you go back to the type of play you used to do as a child, it is so beneficial to your health and well-being, and it's up to you to manage yourself and to manage your stress and to improve the quality of your life. So go out of your way today and every day to play. I hope this helps, work life warriors. Enjoy your day.